The demand for Rolex watches has far exceeded the supply available, leading to waitlists stretching over several years. Enthusiasts of watchmaking must grasp the significance of these waitlists and the considerable challenges they present. They face a significant obstacle in the world of watchmaking. Simply walking into an authorized dealer and expecting to purchase a desired Rolex, regardless of one's relationship with the establishment, is unlikely to be successful. The waitlist, managed by dealers, serves as a cue determining the order in which potential customers can acquire sought-after Rolex timepieces. It's important to note that not all retailers readily share information about these lists. In some cases, they may directly inform customers of the unavailability of Rolex watches and bid them farewell. In this video, we'll delve into the most coveted Rolex timepieces and the expected wait times for each. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, we highly recommend doing so to stay updated on our upcoming videos. Rolex 1908. Unveiled at the latest Watches and Wonders event last year, the 1908 collection succeeds the Cellini line, boasting a classical aesthetic inspired by Bovet and signaling a new direction for H. Wilsdorf. This collection features a slim case adorned with a fluted bezel, offered in yellow or white gold. As the 1908 collection was recently released, determining the current wait time is challenging. However, it is anticipated that a new waitlist will be established, with initial estimates suggesting a minimum of 6 months. The main hurdle linked to the Rolex waitlist originates from the insufficient supply to match the increasing demand. In the last 10 years, there has been a noticeable surge in the popularity of luxury watches, with Rolex being particularly sought after. Rolex holds a prestigious position as one of the most desired brands in the industry, valued for its connections with influential figures, its chronometer certification, and its use of premium materials. Despite Rolex's yearly production of about 1 million watches, the brand consistently faces high demand, leading to lengthy waitlists. This highlights the probability that waitlists will continue to be a consistent aspect of the brand's enduring allure. Rolex Datejust. Launched in 1945, the Datejust quickly gained recognition as the first self-winding, water-resistant chronometer wristwatch to feature a date displayed in a window positioned at 3 o'clock on the dial. It represented a culmination of all the pioneering innovation Rolex had achieved up to that point. Maintaining its iconic design features over the years, the Datejust seamlessly combines chronometric precision, water resistance, and a self-winding mechanism. Potential buyers should expect an average wait time of 3 to 6 months when looking to acquire a Datejust timepiece. Rolex Sea Dweller. This Sea Dweller represents the epitome of Rolex's excellence in dive watch craftsmanship. Initially introduced in 1967 to meet the needs of deep-sea exploration, it underwent a significant update in 2017 to commemorate its 50th anniversary. This update included increasing the case diameter from 40 to 43 mm and adding a Cyclops lens to improve date readability. Prospective buyers considering acquiring a Sea Dweller should expect an average wait time ranging from 3 to 18 months on the waitlist. Rolex Submariner. The Rolex Submariner made its debut in 1953 and was officially unveiled to the public at Baselworld in 1954. The pivotal moment set the standard for the design of all subsequent dive watches. As a specialized collection consisting solely of sports and professional models, they represented a significant milestone as the first timepieces to offer waterproof capabilities up to 100 meters. Additionally, they were the pioneering Rolex models to introduce the now iconic Mercedes hands. Typically, acquiring a Rolex Submariner model involves an average wait period of 6 to 12 months. Rolex Oyster Perpetual. Serving as a fundamental archetype for all Rolex timepieces, the Oyster Perpetual traces its origins back to the introduction of the Oyster in 1926. Known for its waterproof construction, precise timekeeping, and elegant simplicity, Oyster Perpetual models deliberately adhere to a minimalist standard to maintain the essence of the collection. While sometimes considered among the less sought-after Rolex watches, obtaining an Oyster Perpetual typically entails an average waiting period of 6 to 12 months. Rolex Explorer. Making its debut in 1953, the Explorer marked a significant milestone for Rolex, being associated with the first successful ascent of Mount Everest. Rolex played a pivotal role in the historic achievement, as climbers Edmund Hillary and Tenzing Norgay wore the bubbleback Oyster Perpetual timepiece. Consequently, the Explorer was introduced in 1953 to commemorate this extraordinary mountaineering feat. Potential buyers should expect an average waiting period of 6 to 18 months when considering the purchase of a Rolex Explorer. Rolex Day-Date 36mm Puzzle Dial. The Day-Date achieved a significant milestone by being the first calendar wristwatch to prominently display both the date and day of the week spelled out in full. Recently, the Day-Date underwent a revitalizing transformation with the introduction of a design concept known as the Puzzle Dial. Since this is a variant within the Day-Date collection, the expected wait time to acquire this distinctive timepiece is estimated to range from 6 to 36 months, or potentially even longer. Rolex Day-Date. Introduced in 1956, the Day-Date marked a major breakthrough in horological innovation as the first wristwatch to incorporate a calendar feature. This function displayed the full date, day of the week, and the week itself spelled out within a dedicated window on the dial. Designed for discerning enthusiasts seeking a luxurious timepiece, the Day-Date is meticulously crafted exclusively from precious metals, including 18-karat yellow gold, white gold, rose gold, and platinum. Prospective buyers considering joining the waitlist should expect an average wait time ranging from 6 to 36 months. Rolex Sky Dweller. Introduced in 2012, the Sky Dweller stands out as one of Rolex's more intricate collections, incorporating several patents that enhance the complexity of these timepieces. With features like the ability to display 2 time zones via the off-center disc and the Saros annual calendar, this watch offers clarity for travelers who demand precision on their journeys. If you're considering acquiring a Rolex Sky Dweller, expect an average wait time ranging from 8 to 24 months on the waitlist. Rolex GMT Master 2. Debuted in 1955, the GMT Master quickly became the go-to timepiece for avid travelers, especially embraced by pilots. The Rolex GMT Master garnered widespread acclaim, and in 1959, the brand's partnership with Pan Am began following the first non-stop flight from New York to Moscow. A significant upgrade came in 1982 with the introduction of a movement allowing the hour hand to be set independently from the other hand, marking the transition to the contemporary era of the GMT Master 2. The typical wait period to acquire a Rolex GMT Master 2 ranges between 12 to 24 months. The Rolex Daytona is truly a timeless icon of horological excellence, and the Paul Newman reference 6239 model holds a special place in the hearts of collectors due to its unique dial and rarity. Securing such a piece, especially with its association with the legendary actor, is indeed akin to finding treasure. Inspired by the famed Daytona racetrack, these watches are meticulously crafted for racing professionals, featuring practical elements like a tachymetric scale and high-performance movements, making them a top choice for automotive enthusiasts worldwide. The extensive waiting period of 12 to 36 months underscores the immense demand and prestige associated with the Daytona. What are your thoughts on the Rolex timepieces and the waitlist durations discussed in this video? We'd love to hear your feedback and insights in the comments below. That wraps up our video. Thank you for being here with us at ventichic. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share your thoughts in the comments. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more updates on upcoming content. See you in the next video.